Alright, this is my Space Fever table with a space launcher board in it. Just powered it up. And you may notice a nice new red card over here. This is really just kind of show off this new TSF soundboard. Works on Space Fever, Space Launcher, and Sheriff. Takes 2732, 2716, or 2708. The form is the same. The holes are all the same, so you can mount it to your monitor. A lot of these just disappeared because they got left on the monitors when they converted games. Anyway, this one's here. We're going to play a little bit and let you hear it. This is, like I said, Space Launcher. I'm not very good at this game, but I really like playing it. Here we go. Usually when I lose one, I lose a bunch in a row. Oh, yeah, there we go. One left. Oh, stuck in there. So there you go.